All right, what you doing?
Oh, Wi-Fi network's available? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna try a scooter. It might or might not work. FB18, yeah, I am 18.
You're 18? I have so many questions.
Oh, there's the QR code. Scan QR. Add payment method. Create account. It's 27 cents a minute. $1 unlock, 27 cents a minute. Alright. It tells me I can go.
Hey John, do we want to go that way? Okay.
I've kind of got it. I think you have to push start it. I think. No idea. Pretty fun though. Pretty fun.
He says I can't keep up. I think I can keep up.
That was like a billion times more fun than I thought it would be. Like I thought it'd be pretty fun, but no, that was crazy fun, and a wonderful way on a hot day because it's like I don't know, probably 28, 30 degrees right now.
Probably 32, I'd say.
Just to get some wind in your hair, you know.
Must be nice.
Yeah. I will be bequeathing my scalp to Ray, so eventually he will have what we can only determine be the perfect hair.
Captain Perfect Hair.
So yeah, recommend.
Yeah?
Highly recommend.
How much did that little ride cost you?
Well, it was $1 to unlock, then 25 cents a minute, I think I said.
Yeah, something like that. 27
minutes.
cents or something. Okay.
So that was $2.25.
225, and it took you from all the way down there, someplace, and here, yeah, pretty quickly.
Here, yeah. I think I found a winner. I love it.
All right, so John from Vacation Impossible gives it the thumbs up, seal of approval. We recommend the available on Uber Lime S, Lime 5, whatever that is.
Yeah, it's an S.
All right.
Stands for scooter.
Oh, scooter.
Put two together, it does make 4. Yeah, I guess now I gotta get inside the con and get to the next session.
Enjoy some freaking air conditioning.
Oh, yes. Use it this way. We're coming that way. Well, let's go this way.
Roll for initiative.